Today I will teach you how to replace part of your job with the AI and PHP programming language. Hi, today we will be talking about extractors, which is a PHP Resonance Framework feature. And currently we have three of them: subject, when, and yes, no, maybe. They can be used to either extract some data from user input or to make a decisions based on that. So we will be delegating our decision making to the AI. Subject is really simple. It extracts a specific string from user input. So it is really nice for asking user, for example, what is your new application going to be called, or what will be the name of the entity that you want to add to the database, and so on. It will extract that exact string and it will not hallucinate. Yes, no, maybe just sanitizes user input. So when user makes some affirmatory statements like, yeah, okay, I agree, they will be converted to yes. In other cases to no or maybe. When is a bit more complicated because it can be used to make decisions based on user input. So it's like writing conditions, if conditions, but not with programming language, but with natural language instead. And we will use user input. Also, before we start, in the previous videos I mentioned we have another feature, which is a prompt subject responder. And what it does, for example, in this case, when user mentions anything about wanting an elephant or adopting an elephant, this piece of code will be executed. So let us test it. We have this conversational application playground, and I want an elephant. Great, it worked. But what if I want a cat? Great, also worked, because we have another prompt subject responder, but this time it is focused on a cat. So why don't we take that to the next level? And instead of just matching the prompt subject responder with a topic, why don't we extract some information from user's input? So this time, let us extract the first name of the animal that user mentions. I want an elephant named Johnson. Also great, you want an elephant named Johnson. So I didn't have to code any natural language processing, nothing. I just delegated the entire task to the large language model, in this case Mistral, and all I had to do is write, extract me the first name of the animal. And why don't we take that to the next level again? I have a code snippet right here, and let us use a condition, when condition, instead of subject extractor. So this time, when user talks about a fictional entity, it will execute this line of code and will say, you are talking about a fictional character. In any other case, you are talking about a real character. So let us test it again. I want Dumbo. Here you go. You are talking about a fictional character, which is an elephant, which is correct. Because Dumbo is a cultural reference. It is the name of a popular cartoon character who was an elephant. And the AI knew that we will be talking about elephants at some point, and it knew that Dumbo is a popular character. So it works. I hope you will find some interesting uses for those extractors in general. If you liked what I was talking about, feel free to visit our website, resonance.distantmagic.com, give us a star, join our community, subscribe. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.